Hi everyone, I'm back today with a new video. It's not of anything related to rubbish videos. I made 5 rubbish videos which I enjoyed basically, and a few friends of mine too enjoyed it. Go in and see it and see if you too enjoy it. But this is not a rubbish video, this is a nice video. But rubbish videos also was nice. This is a useful video. Rubbish videos was not useful, it was just fun. Today's video is going to be on skin. It's going to be a homemade remedy for skin. People who are there on Facebook, please go and check out my page. That's homemade remedies for glowing skin. I will leave the link to the page in the description box. So what I would like to tell you is, I'm not liable if the remedy does not work on you, because it's suiting me, it suits my mom, it suits certain people who I know, but that does not mean that it should be suiting you too. Everyone's skin is different. So you should try it out at least once or twice to know whether it's suiting you or not. You cannot come to know anything very fast. You need to use it religiously for some time and then you will come to know. So I wish everyone who sees this video makes this oil, which I'm going to talk about, and experience it personally, and then you will know whether it's suiting you or not. I wish and I pray it suits you, because if it's suiting you, this oil is very nice. It actually gives you a good glow. I've been using this oil since 8 to 9 months and it has never been bad for me. It's always been good for me. I'm having a combination skin from oily to dry, so it suited me, and I think it should suit others also. It's called almond and saffron oil. I've already posted this lots on my page earlier and people have been using it and always giving me a positive response. This is the first time I'm making a video on this. So this is, like, you can say, take about 300 ml of almond oil, that's badam in Hindi, and put around 35 to 40 strands of saffron in it. So take a bottle and put around 300 ml of almond oil in it and put about 30 to 40 strands of, you can exceed the strands also according to your wish. It should be about, you can say, approximately 30 to 40 strands, and put it in the bottle where the almond oil is kept and keep it there for like 1 week. After 1 week the color slightly changes, not, you won't see a drastic change in it, you will see a little change, slightly orangish, slightly the color changes. It's still transparent, it's still, like transparent in color, but you will find a little difference in the color. You won't see a real drastic orange color in it, you will not see that. After 1 week you can start using it. If you want, you can make the quantity lesser also. Say about in 100 ml of almond oil, you can use 10 to 15 strands of saffron, or 10 to 15 strands of saffron, that's kesar. Keep it for 1 week, and after 1 week use it. And how are you supposed to use it? Okay, the exact way to use it is, before you sleep, massage into your face very little. Okay, don't, just very little. Your face should not be oily, it should be like semi oily. Take that much and massage into your whole face, and you have to massage it for like 10 minutes. 10 minutes you have to keep on massaging your skin, upward movement, okay, so that your skin does not sag, go upwards, and massage for 10 minutes, and you can leave it overnight if you want. In the beginning days when I was using this oil, I used to keep it overnight, but then I noticed that my pillow covers and my bed sheets and everything is getting a mess. So what I started doing is, like, I used to keep it for like 1.5 hours to 1.5 hours to 2 hours, and then I used to wash it off. Every day I was using this, and in a week's time I saw so much difference in my skin. This oil actually removes excess heat from your body, even makes your skin smooth and shiny, and even removes what do you say, To an extent, it removes mild scars and acne scars. And I have noticed that my dark circles okay, wait. My dark circles has reduced with this oil. It has faded away. This oil is actually good, and I faithfully use it every day when I get the chance, or to alternate days. Without doubt, I'm using it alternate days. This oil is actually good. This whole mixture is very good. Though almond being a hot oil, this combination does wonders. It removes the excess heat. It makes your skin actually shines. In a week's time, you'll see so much difference in your skin. You will actually see a lot of difference in your skin, and I wish everyone makes this oil and tries it out before having some pre-assumptions as to, no, this is oily, it's oil, it might not suit my skin. You can never say anything unless you use something. I've always used these remedies, and that's how I know whether what is suiting me and what is suiting me and what is not suiting me. So I wish you all also do the same. Then you will know what is suiting and what is not. And what else? This oil is awesome, and I like it, and I hope you too like it. Please subscribe and support me, guys, for my future videos. By subscribing, you will be always knowing about my future videos, and that's nice. Please like or dislike or comment on these videos. For this, you need to register yourself first. It does not take much time, so please do it fast. Bye. Hope this video was useful to you guys, and if it is not, please let me know. Bye.